Hey guys, what's up? This is Ross Burland, senior analyst at FX Street, 20 plus years in the industry. And this video is for those of you that have come over here expecting to find content related to no nonsense Forex. I'm no longer partaking in that particular methodology. Um, I feel that there are much better ways to approach the market. You don't have to be there glued to a screen. Um, in many other scenarios either. It's not just Nnfx that gives you that um, ability to come to the screens for an hour or two a day or less and walk away and be done with it. The current strategy that I'm applying is the methodology that's taught by Stacey Burke, trading the highs and lows of the days, the weekly templates, the highs and lows of the sessions, trading along with the stop hunts, trading along with the algorithms, and it turns out results such as this. This was a dollar CAD trade that was taken at the low of the day, um, having taken into account the weekly template, and it returned. Had you trade if you had you risk 1%, that's an 8% return over the course of a day. Um, Ideally, these types of trades, you just be in and out of the session. And this was, as you can see, done at round about the open, and it was closed off, a few hours later. Some of these trades just, I mean, like this one here, they explode and you're done within an hour. You're seeking 50 to 100 pips a day, depending on the ATR of the day. And you're done with it. So these are the types of returns that you might see with an algorithmic um, strategy, the Nnfx way. Might take you an entire month to get that kind of return, or a quarter. I don't know what these algorithm um, approaches are doing these days. I'm sure that it's a lot more advanced. Some of you guys out there are probably banging together some excellent algorithms that do a lot better than VP was doing in the heyday. But 20 to 30% returns is not what I'm here for. I'm here to make money. So um, yeah, again, I mean, this trade here was done. I mean, I've put it here on my YouTube channel. Um, where is it? Me and the dollar finishing strong into the weekend. I explain it over here. I don't know if you can hear it, but I'll just turn the volume off. I mean, I might just distort. Wednesday was kind of like a nothing inside bar. Anyway, so I'm just talking about the approach. What took me, what drove me to this trade. Um, uh, yeah, this is the follow up video to the prior, which was the actual. That was me getting involved, I think. Yeah, here we go. Yeah, so that's as you can see, it's the exact same market. Um, dollar CAD, there was the entry, that was the target. And then you can see over here the end result of that. So actually, it was up here. Is the target? Yeah. Anyway, so there we go. If you want to learn more about this particular way of reading price action, market flow, um, being able to get into a position and having 100% confidence in that trade because it happens as a setup that you see over and over again in these markets, be it Forex, NASDAQ, the commodities. It's a design system. It's a system designed to take your money in a zero sum game. So, let's just learn how the game is being played, what are the rules, and play them. Be part of be the big fish, not the little fish. Trade with the whales, as they say, right? So that's what we're doing here. We're getting in with the smart money, whatever you want to call it. And we're not glued at the screens all day long. Not at all. For instance, I'm over in Central America. I get up at 5. It's just a good hour to get up. I come to the screens ahead of the New York Open. Have a quick flick through, what's looking good. I set those up on my watch list. I go off and do my exercise, walk the dogs, whatever I want to be doing. Come to the screens, after the usual hour of the stop hunt, or come in during while the stop hunt is taking place, and look for the setups, the ones that I know are going to give me a decent in, such as this one. And I'm done in a couple of hours. So anyway, if you want to know more about that methodology, go over and see Stacey Burke or stick with me. Come over to my YouTube channel. If you want to stay with Nnfx, and if you're pissed off that you've been drawn over here due to the title of the page, I apologize. I'm in the process of trying to change over the name, but for me, it's RIP Nnfx. It's served me well for a while. It was fun, but by virtue of the uh, trending strategy, there was too much drawdown for me at times when markets were not trending. I want to be in and out with decent returns, such as this, one or two or three of these on a weekly basis. That's fantastic. That's all we need as traders, right? We go and get on and do the other things that we want to do in the world, right? So there we have it. So if you want to come over, you'll find my page on YouTube. It's a new page. So, very few followers as of yet, but that's fine. It's not all about that. It's about enjoyment of the market and putting stuff out there and, being on the line and being in contact. Um, it's a great way. I'd suggest it to anyone. Set up your own page. It's a great way to stay tuned in, disciplined, and so forth, connected, etc. So for the moment, it's basically you're going to see over here daily market insights. I do a weekly analysis at the start of the week, which will be the entry video. Okay. Which is there playing, rolling away, and on a daily basis, my insights, thoughts on what's happening in the market, staying tuned in with all the important noise. But essentially, we can block a lot of that out and just stick with the price action, the weekly template, the highs and lows of the day, the week, the month, the stop hunts, and so on. And trading the price action, the setups, the candlestick patterns, the ones that matter, the ones that work, filtering out all of the BS, not trading in this junk in between the sessions, being around when the big money is coming in to move the market, to take your money and make money for themselves. So the idea is to trade along with them. Yeah. So there you go. Once again, I apologize if you come over here for Nnfx. You've probably been bored for the last 8 minutes of this video, but this is for those of you that are serious about making money, are serious about learning the correct way to trade these markets, the only way, really, if you want to have any decent success. That's what we come here for, right? To make money. No fooling around. Okay, best of luck out there, and thanks for stopping by.